that it ends up choking to death. Grit's not sure what taking on this creature will get him. He's about to find out. He's packing all the tools nature gave him, including a formidable array of offensive and defensive weapons. And he's got the tenacity to survive. A rock monitor. Grit's never seen a lizard tail that long before. Wonder what it's for. That's what it's for. The lizard wants Grit gone. Now. And finally, he gets the message. The rookie is lucky to walk away with just a bloody nose.